Picture yourself in the 2021 Kia Forte. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get the compact sedan that knows how to be refined as well as sporty. This comfortable upscale Forte delivers smooth performance, touchscreen infotainment, active safety features, a slightly rebellious spirit, and technology that lets you choose your driving mode. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror. Sleek and comfortable intersect with sporty and spirited in this multi-talented Forte. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.